Hello student, today we will discuss formula on profit and loss. Profit denoted by P, loss denoted by L, selling price means to say SP, cost price or least price, that is called CP. Profit equals to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. For example, pen, cost price of this pen is rupees 5 and selling price of this pen is rupees 8. Then profit, how much of rupees? Selling price 8, cost price 5, profit is rupees 3. To learn. Next, loss. CP minus SP. When CP is greater than SP, then loss. Now formula of selling price basis on profit. To learn, SP equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100, and we can derive it also. How? See, profit percent formula first we will find, that is profit in rupees by CP into 100%. Loss percent, loss in rupees by CP into 100%. Now see from here, from first, profit plus CP, that is equals to SP. I am going to derive that formula SP, that is equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent by me 100. Now put the value of this profit percent into cost price by 100 plus CP equals to SP. Take common CP, profit percent by me 100 plus 1. Take LCM. See its derivation. So SP is equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent by me 100. Similarly, formula in loss, SP is equals to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Also have to learn this box formula, you have to learn. Next, CP in profit, SP into 100 from here by 100 plus profit percent. SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Profit and loss comes from commercial math. only these 8 formulas: profit SP minus CP, loss CP minus SP, P stand for profit, L stand for loss, selling price SP, cost price CP. Formula for finding SP in profit percent: CP into 100 plus profit percent by में 100. Derivation: profit percent, profit in rupees by CP into 100%, क्योंकि कोई भी परसेंटेज जो है वो कोस्ट प्राइस पर ही निकलेगी. आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ या फिर लॉस हुआ, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? कोस्ट प्राइस से. लॉस परसेंट, लॉस बाय सीपी इंटू 100%. एसपी इन लॉस, सीपी इंटू 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट बाय में 100. सीपी एसपी इंटू 100 बाय 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट. सीपी एसपी इंटू 100 बाय 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट. Thank you.